Pole discrepancy. From the name, it is clear that this relay is related to some trouble or discrepancy in circuit breaker pole. This relay is required for circuit breakers where single phase tripping or closing facility is provided, especially for auto reclose features. Pole discrepancy is a time delayed relay, and in this drawing we will study how it can protect power system from severe unbalanced load occurred due to maltripping of any one or two pole of a 3-pole circuit breaker. This dotted line represents circuit breaker pole. That means these two contacts related to red phase pole, these two are related to yellow phase, whereas these two are in blue phase pole. Now notice that these three are NC contacts of different poles and they are connected in parallel, whereas these three are NO contact of three different poles of this circuit breaker and they are connected in parallel also. Now this parallel combination and this parallel combination are connected in series. Now we will see how pole discrepancy relay operates during real condition. In real condition, circuit breaker is in closed condition. Now this is the status of auxiliary contacts when all the three poles of the circuit breaker is on. Notice that during this condition, pole discrepancy relay is in drop top condition because negative is firmly connected but positive voltage cannot come to this timer relay because these three contacts are open. Now we will see how pole discrepancy relay can protect power system from unbalanced loading if any pole of this circuit breaker maltrip or wrongly tripped. Suppose maltripping occurred in blue phase pole of this circuit breaker. So what will be the contact configuration? If blue phase pole of this circuit breaker get tripped, then this will be new contact configuration of this circuit breaker, and in this condition positive voltage will come in this way, and as these two are closed, so pole discrepancy relay will operate, and after a predefined time delay this pole discrepancy relay will provide a trip pulse to all of the three tip coils of this circuit breaker. So we can see that if any pole of a 3-phase circuit breaker accidentally or maltripped or wrongly tripped, then unbalanced load will not stay in the power system because circuit breaker will trip due to operation of pole discrepancy relay. But time delay of this pole discrepancy relay should be carefully chosen and it should be greater than dead time of single phase auto reclose cycle. Otherwise, during single phase auto reclose cycle, this pole discrepancy relay may maloperate and which can result unwanted 3-phase tripping of any feeder bay. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching.